First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Connections. Then, tap Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If the problem is only on your Samsung phone, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then, tap Advanced Settings. Tap Wi-Fi Control History. Check if any app is automatically turning your Wi-Fi on or off. If you find such an app, disable or uninstall it. Now, turn Wi-Fi off. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Swipe down again to expand the Quick Settings panel. Tap the power icon. Then, tap Restart. After your phone restarts, turn Wi-Fi back on and try connecting to your network again. If the problem still continues, open the Settings app. Tap the search icon at the top. Search for Reset. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings to confirm. After the reset is complete, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. That's it. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.